JNR Contracting here, and today's a very good package day for me. It's from my best friend Ben Hitachi on YouTube and Ben's Custom Models on Instagram. So there's a lot of stuff in here. This would be part one of many. I've got a lot of stuff coming from him too. So I'll get started here by looking at this piece of paper. Awesome, man. Signed, Nate Figures. It's a joke. Only some people will probably get it. So, first up is 335 boom. Then we have an M318F. Another one. It's my second one. M318F here with its cool new bucket. Awesome, Ben. Like that a lot. Let's see. Trying to make sure I'm in these bags. Okay. We have a 330 stick. Looks like a mount on it, so that'll be used for something. Then we have this backhoe. We could use this boom mount. This goes to, looks to be a 330 hopefully. So we'll leave that. This one here is in the bag. Let's hope it's not broken. Awesome, 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 awesome. Here we go. We got a 335 stick with a thumb, which is great because I could use it. I really like it. So, thanks Ben for that. Definitely put on one of my 335s. Got a couple more things. Let's get the box out of the way here. Awesome. Looks like it's a Ford. My very own Ford F-250. There she is. Oops. There we go. My Ford. I have the grill. Grill's on here. Where's that bag? This one? Yes, it is. It's alright. Trust me, I'm just happy to have a Ford. Really happy to have that. So, there's the Ford F-250. Great. Oops. I got stuff plans for that, really. So, put that over here. And last but not least is awesome. My own backhoe. Probably get a bucket on there. This is an NGG model? Yes, it is. This is Cat 428C backhoe. Very pleased with it already. So awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright. Alright. I'm pretty happy about that. Let's see here. This looks like to be honest, this looks like the coupler for it. I'll have to find a bucket for it. But it's great. I got my own little backhoe here. So I'll pause this and show you a thumb on the 335. Alright guys, we're back. Here's the 335 FLCR with the thumb. Again, it's great. Very happy to have this from Ben, and it'll definitely gonna be more stuff in the future like that, because that's just awesome. Again, it's not gonna be perfect. And you know what? I'm not expecting perfect. It's durable. I got a thumb for it. I'm good. We really thank Ben again. But wow, I'm impressed, really impressed right now. So, thank you for watching here, and I'll take pictures of other stuff. So, again, thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the video, and see you soon.